Hello everyone. Let us look at the definition of reading a number from the user and deciding whether it is a prime number or not. Now, a prime number is a number which is not divisible by any other number except 1 and itself. So, we are going to use the for loop and we'll start from 2 to up to the number minus 1. If at all the number is divisible by any of these numbers in between, then we will conclude that it is not a prime number. So for this, we're going to take a sort of a flag. Let us call the variable a flag itself. And in the beginning, we would make an assumption that it is not divisible by any other numbers. And with that assumption, we will start with our for loop. I wouldn't take the first value as 1. Rather, I would go with 2. And I'm going to go up to maybe you can write b minus 1 less than equal to b minus 1, or you can just go ahead and write less than b. So with each iteration, I'm going to increase the value of I. So how am I going to write in? So, oh, by the way, I've taken the code of the previous few videos. So I'm not going to recreate the whole code. So it goes like converting the input into a number and checking whether conversion took place or did not take place. And then I move ahead. So now here what we are going to do is I'm going to divide the number by I and we are going to find in the remainder. So if the number b is divisible by I and the remainder is 0, that means it is completely divisible by I, then I'm going to put in the flag as 1. That is the only logic we would write here. Now at any point, if the number was divisible completely by the value of I, flag would change to 1. So when we come out of the for loop, we just need to check if a flag is equal to 0, that means it was not divisible by any of the numbers 2 to b minus 1. So here we would simply print it's a prime number. Okay, it is a prime number. Otherwise, we would say it is not a prime number. Right, so at this point, I have not taken into consideration whether the value of b is a integer number or not, whether the value of b is positive or negative or not. I've just made an assumption that the number is a positive number and that too it is not the value 1. And the final thing we would add is the closing of the function. So let us try this and see whether it works or not. So let me try and enter a number like say 123 and see. It says it is not a prime number. Obviously, if I enter 17, it is not a prime number. It is a prime number, sorry. And if I enter 16, it should say it is not a prime number. Right, so you can go ahead and put in 15 is not a prime number. 14 is not a prime number. Well, 11 is a prime number. So you can go ahead and test this, and if you want to add in the additional logic, go ahead and do it, and I'll catch you in the next video with a new definition.